And I was on the first recording of the Chappelle episode, and it was a Sally Field episode that completely...
Someone wrote that when I did Hollywood Squares, because it was right around...
You know what? The numbers are I have...
Can you tell I've never done a Zoom before?
Well, right.
They were and they weren't.
You having to listen to those goddamn answers?
Good.
So it was just...
Sally Field, what was she, drunk or something?
It's just, you ever had one of those moments, you know, I'm doing a recording, a discussion, and it just failed miserably. You know, things just don't always go the way we anticipated, you know. What
do you think I am, a bird or something? You know?
Boy, killing it, boy, killing it.